Hi, welcome to Tej Academy. I am Prasanna Kumar Reddy. I know you all are seriously preparing for NCET 2026. Recently, NTA has given the notification for NCET 2026 for ITEP admissions. Here from Tej Academy, we are coming up with a online crash course batch, Tejas batch for NCET 2026, exclusively designed for B.Sc B.Ed ITEP program. If you are seriously aiming to join B.Sc B.Ed either in IIT or NIT or RIEs or central universities, this will be a wonderful opportunity for all of you. This batch is going to start from February 20th, approximately 55 days time we have. So for all the 55 days, we are going to train you in all the subjects required for B.Sc B.Ed program. What are you going to get through this program? If you see, this program is going to offer a lot of features. The majorly live interactive classes for physics, chemistry, math, bio, teaching aptitude, general test and English. So almost you can choose any 3 domain subjects and 3 non-domain subjects. The one regional language which you are preferring, that you can take help. So, but if you see, the major part we are going to provide in the form of live interactive classes as per latest syllabus and complete syllabus coverage as per the new pattern. Especially in teaching aptitude and English, there is a lot of change in the syllabus. So that is going to be dealt as per the new pattern. And digital notes we are going to provide in the app, Tej Academy app, and 3 years PYQs with solutions. As you all know, NCET launched 3 years back. 2023, 2024, 2025 question papers are going to be with solutions we are going to provide, and we will also keep them as practice papers in the app. You can attempt n number of times to check your accuracy. NCET concept capsule, which is a unique feature of Tej Academy. Under this, we are providing concept capsules in physics, chemistry, math, bio and other subjects, so that you can make use of them for quick revision, effective remembering. It will help you. And chapter based test, part syllabus test and final test, full syllabus test. Complete test series is also included in the Tejas program. From day one, this is going to be exclusively focusing on B.Sc B.Ed aspirants. So if you want to join, please do download our app by scanning this, or you can also go to Play Store and type Tej Academy. You can download our app, search for the course NCET Tejas batch, search for this course and click on that. You can enroll, and classes are going to start from Feb 20th. For other details like class schedule, number of hours per day, etc., you can go through the app. We will give you, you can get the complete information through the app. For any queries, you can call or WhatsApp to this number 9071 455 466. Hope this program will definitely help you to improve your score. All the best. Thank you.